Let's make a jumping frog. First, you're going to start with a rectangular piece of paper. Mine is 4 inches by 5.5 inches. You're going to take one side of your paper and you're going to fold it in half, hot dog style, and give it a crease. Then you're going to unfold it. You're going to take your upper right-hand corner and fold it down to meet the left side of your paper. And you're going to crease along that diagonal. You're going to unfold it. Do the same on the left side of your paper. Crease it and unfold it. Now you have an X. Flip your paper over. You're going to take the top side of your paper and fold it down to meet the bottom of your X. The middle of your X should be right at the fold. Crease it down and unfold it. Flip your paper back over. Take the sides, fold them in towards the middle, and press it down. Wait, let's see that again. You're going to take the sides of your paper, fold them in, and press it down to make a triangle. Crease those sides down really well. Now you have 2 layers of paper here. Take the top one, fold it up so the bottom meets that middle crease. Repeat it on the left side. Now take your right side down at the bottom and fold it in towards that middle line. Crease it down. And you're going to repeat this on the left side. Fold it in and crease it down. Now back to these top 2 triangles. You're going to fold them down to make your front legs. Crease it. Same on the left side. Now you're going to take the bottom of your paper, fold it up right at that center point. Crease it. Going to take that top there, fold it down. Crease it to make your bottom legs. Now you've made your jumping frog.